Welcome again to Let's Talk Forensics with Pastor Dan. We're going to do a lab today. And the lab involves the presence of various different salts. So different colors that being present, we can identify what's going on inside of flames based on the ions there. So what's going on here is as a metal is heated, it gives off, excites electrons inside of the molecule. And those electrons, as they jump up and then fall back down, give off a specific wavelength of light, something we call emissions. You take my chemistry class, I do an entire set on emissions to identify atomic electron structure. So what we're going to do is use that same concept here to identify what metals are involved in possible accelerants, things along those lines. That's also what's going on in fireworks. The reason why you see different colors in fireworks, there's different metals in them, and then we're going to go from there. So what you're going to do in this lab is you're going to take and first heat up some ethanol, and we're not going to do the lab. I'm just going to show you the basic concept, which you would have done, and then put some ion salt and compare. The reason why we're having the ethanol there is so we can compare off what the pure alcohol would be, because all these salts are dissolved into ethanol, drinking alcohol, grain ethanol actually. So we have sodium, barium, magnesium, copper, potassium, iron, and then an unknown. So those are what you're going to do. So you want to identify what colors you see for each of those. And once you do, then there are the questions associated. How might viewing a fire and its color help to aid to demonstrate as to what was used as an arson investigator, to what would be limitations of system investigation, and to what substances was the unknown test? How did you know? All right. So, and of course, your conclusion, explain what you learned and explain any errors. Also, please make sure if this helps you, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right. So because I don't have the flame test anymore, so what I've done is I found a site that lists all the different colors we have. So we see that zinc is a yellow, rubidium is a like a reddish purple. We got a green here, a red, more of like a reddish orange, almost like a teal over here, a blue green, a reddish orange, a little more orange than the strontium. Potassium is almost like a pink. Sodium is like a yellowish orange, but more orange, but less than calcium. And cesium is a darker purple than potassium, and calcium is a really good orange. So using that sheet, put down the colors that you have. All right, now I'm going to give you two different unknowns. Pause the video, record those down. Okay. Instead of one. So identify what each of these you think they are. First one. Okay, so what color do you think that is? Okay, and the second one. All right, so pause this, do the lab, answer the questions. We'll go back and look at them. All right, so this one right here, that's lithium. That is lithium that's being generated, as you see. Lithium over there, color matches up. It could be rubidium, but I don't have any rubidium. So, it's potassium. See, that color matches up. No. I know I don't have rubidium. I know I don't have strontium. So that's lithium right there. All right, now let's go to the other one we have here. And that color, that one I know for sure. That one, that color right there, that's copper. That green color you get there, that's definitely copper. All right, that's the lab. Hopefully not too bad. Hopefully that was helpful. Take care. God bless.